that is delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel, I do budget-related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, please do consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're gonna be doing my cash stuffing for my first paycheck in July. I got paid on July 14th. Today's currently the 22nd, I believe. So let's just go ahead and count this money. How is everyone doing today? Today is currently Saturday, and I'm having to bulk record a few videos because I'm actually going away today. And yeah, so, okay, let's just start the counting. So we have 50, 150, 250. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 10, 15, 25. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. So I'm cash stuffing $895. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and we're gonna start with my revolving cash. We're gonna start off with this binder right here. I did not record my last weekly unstuffing for the first 2 weeks in July. I actually went live on Instagram. So I believe that live is still up if you wanted to go check it out. It's kind of long, but I had fun. I showed some slime that I purchased. It was a good live. But okay, so eating out is going to get 50. That's 20, 30, 40, 45, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Since today is Saturday morning, I have my coffee here instead of a bubbly or sparkling water, I should say. So delicious. Okay, spending is getting 80. So we have 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. Compra, I had no rollover because I went over budget on my compra. Okay, so compra is going to get 185. Compra has 51, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 185. Gas, I rolled over, I believe it's 25. Let me just double check. Yes, 10.25. Gas is getting 120. $20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 45. So I have 145 for the next 2 weeks. Household is going to get a 5. Household has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 76, 77, and $78. Okay, future rent is getting 65. So we have 50, 65. Future rent now has 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 5, 65. So that's $2,465. Cell phone is getting 25, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, and 5, 10. We're gonna go to my low priority. We're gonna do the anniversary gifts that I saved for. There are a total of 3, and they are in this little folder here. Okay, so MWP is going to get a 5. MWP now has 100, 150, 175, 85, 95. TAP is getting a 5. They have 20, 40, 60, 5, 75, 85. JBP is also getting a 5. They have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I have a total of 370 between these 3 anniversaries. And then the only other envelope getting stuffed in this binder today is going to be Dustin, and he is getting $105. So that is a 50, 70, 90, 105. Okay, let's see how much he has total. Okay, Dustin now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 200, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 5, 65, 75, 85. So that's 285. Plus, he has 22 for his bills, and then 13 for his emergency fund. So he has a total of 320 in his envelope. We're gonna move on to my high priority. We're gonna cash stuff. Car maintenance is getting a 5. Car maintenance now has 500 and 20, 40, 60, 80, 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 55, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 669. All of these envelopes are actually getting $5. Medical now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 240. Oops, hold on one second. All right, let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 5, 47, and 49. So that's 449. I don't know what happened to my medical, but I was short $74. I don't know, because I have money in my Ally account and then another account that I have for my medical, and I have prop money to represent that in here, but it wasn't adding up to what I had. So I just went ahead and made sure that my prop money represents exactly what's in the bank, but then I was short $74. So I don't know. Either way. Okay, so emergency fund is getting a 5. Emergency fund now has a 500, 600, 700, 20, 40, 50, 60, 5, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 785. Travel is going to get 80. I need to condense this because it's getting really bulky. So it's just gonna get 4 20s. Okay, travel now has 500, 600, 700, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 50, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's $1,224. Savings is getting 5. savings now has 100, 200, 20, 30, 40, 5, 55, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3. So that's 273. 1, 2, 3 monthly expenses is also getting a 5. So now I have 1,000, 2,000, 500, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65. So that's $2,565. All right, you guys, so it's time for this lovely binder. We are cash stuffing this today with $80. Okay, the penny challenge is getting 21 for July. So let's pull out July. So July now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2. So July is fully funded. As you can see here, I need to save $62. Now we're gonna go to the 52-week side, and I'm gonna cash stuff August, which is quarter 3. Let's see here, quarter. Okay, August, I need to save $130, and I'm gonna cash stuff this today with 59. So that's 55, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's add this to the stack and see how much I have total. 50, 70, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 107 out of 130. It's pretty good. Okay, and the remaining here should be $60. This is going to be for my savings challenge. So that's 20, 30, 45, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60. Yep, and I'm going to put this in my savings challenge binder right here. And that, my friends, is it. I have cashed off all of my envelopes and I have no cash left. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below and leave me a coffee emoji. That way I know you're at this point. I know I have reached 2,000 subscribers. It's just a kind of odd timing because I am going away and I don't want to have to deal with the pressure of that. So when I come back from vacation, so the beginning of August, basically, like that first week, I will post a video and I will be announcing my giveaway. I won't have the giveaway in the title, but it's gonna be, I'm trying to think, I don't know what kind of video it's gonna be in. Maybe I'll post something on my community tab to say, be sure to watch the next video because it's gonna have the giveaway or something like that. Only because I don't want just random people clicking on my video to join, to sign up for this giveaway. I really wanna give this away to my subscribers and people who have been following me and who support me. All right, you guys, take care. Have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.